Hi, I'm Lewis from Olympus. Today we're going to discuss the OER-Elite disinfectant draining and loading operations. Before using the equipment, be sure to read and understand the details of the instruction manual. As always, please ensure proper protective equipment is worn while maintaining and operating the OER-Elite. Should you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact the Olympus Technical Assistance Center, otherwise known as TAC, in the event you need additional assistance.
The OER-Elite will display a replacement warning indicator when the usage count or the shelf life of the disinfectant has been reached. When the disinfectant concentration is no longer effective, replace the disinfectant solution from the equipment. Once you have removed the endoscopes and disconnected the connecting tubes, find your way to the OER-Elite menu display. Press the Replacement of Consumable Items using the stylus pen that comes with the unit. The screen will advance to the next display. Select the Drain LCG button. Finally, press the Through the Drain Hose button. Refer to the IFU for further instructions if the LCG is collected through the Disinfectant Collection Hose option. Now that we've selected our drain method, close the lid. You should hear a click. Next, scan your user ID by holding the user ID over the OER-Elite RFID reader. Once the user ID card is scanned, press Start to initiate the Drain LCG process. While the disinfectant is draining, you'll notice a screen with a spinning wheel. Soon after, you'll hear an audible beep. This indicates that the disinfectant solution has been properly drained. Additionally, the OER-Elite touchscreen will display further instructions to drain any remaining solution. Follow the touchscreen instructions to ensure no disinfectant is left in the disinfectant tank. Open the OER-Elite front door and disconnect the rubber disinfectant removal port cap. Place a small container at the base of the reprocessor and connect the disinfectant removal tube to the disinfectant removal port. Put the tube side end of the disinfectant removal tube in the small container to drain the small amount of residual solution. Once the disinfectant is completely drained, disconnect the removal tube. Then, place the disinfectant port cover back over the removal port. Don't forget to rinse the disinfectant removal tube under running water and dry completely prior to storing. Now press Continue on the display. The draining of the disinfectant is now complete. Once the disinfectant has been fully drained, the completion indicator will appear on the OER-Elite touchscreen. Press OK with the stylus pen. Let's get started with the Load LCG process. From the OER-Elite touchscreen menu, press Replacement of Consumable Items. Next, press Load LCG on the touchscreen menu. Now you're ready to process the Load LCG. Close the lid until you hear an audible click. Next, scan your user ID by holding the user ID over the OER-Elite RFID reader. Once the user ID card is scanned, simply press the Start button to indicate the Load LCG process. When the Start button is pressed, the disinfectant bottle drawer will unlock and you will hear an audible click. Pull out the disinfectant bottle drawer and remove the empty containers. Replace with new cassette bottles so that the bottle with the purple cap is on the right. If you notice any disinfectant spilled during the loading process, wipe it away with a clean, lint-free cloth. Now you're ready to close the disinfectant bottle drawer. Lift the disinfectant bottle drawer all the way and then insert the drawer until it is completely closed. Examine the disinfectant bottle drawer and check the windows to verify that the disinfectant solution from both bottles has decreased. Once the disinfectant drawer is closed completely, you'll hear continuous short beeps. These beeps notify the user that the solution is being prepared. The time remaining will appear on the touchscreen. Once the disinfectant has been fully prepared, the OER-Elite touchscreen will display LCG complete. Press OK with the stylus pen.
Welcome back. This concludes the OER-Elite disinfectant drain and load operations. We hope you found the information helpful. As always, don't hesitate to contact our experienced TAC team in the event you need additional assistance. Thanks for watching.